Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how can you install apps without Apple ID password. So guys, if you want to install app without Apple ID password, so how can you do this? So guys, you can do this very easily. First of all, just simply open the settings, scroll down until you can see the screen time. Tap on it, scroll down, and here tap on content and price restriction and turn this toggle on, and here tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and here tap on don't require. Now after that, go back and turn this toggle off. From here guys, just simply tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode. And from here guys, you can see here use Face ID, iTunes and App Store. So simply turn off this toggle, and after that go back, and after that restart your device, and after that you will be able to download apps without Apple ID password. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If that does help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.